Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily create zoom movement as transitions on your videos in CapCut. So in here, I've already imported photos, but you can also use this for videos. Okay, what you need to do is just add 2 keyframes on each photos at the start and also the end. Like this. And then on the first photo, zoom in on the second keyframe. Okay, zoom it in like this, and on the next one, zoom in but on the first keyframe like this. Okay, now for the next one, do the same. Okay, on the second one and on the first one like this. Now the transition will go like this. So that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on thanks. Bye.